Hello everyone, I'm Daniel Thomas. Thank you for joining me. Today I'm going to explain and demonstrate how to use the ALCO sensor FST PBT, which stands for Portable Breath Tester. This is a very handy tool that we have which allows us to see how intoxicated a person might be. This instrument works by collecting and analyzing a breath sample given by a person and displays the result for the officer to see. This instrument is very simple to use. It only has two buttons, a power button and a function button, and a display screen. Now I'm going to show you how you would use this in the field. First of all, you're going to explain to the subject how you want him to perform the test. You're going to give him very clear and specific instructions. I usually say something like, what I need you to do is take a deep breath, hold it for a moment, and blow steadily until I tell you to stop. Do you understand? If they acknowledge that they understand, I go ahead and perform the test. I always start with an unopened straw. This is what they're going to blow into. I open it and I grab the end that's not going to come in contact with their mouth. To insert this on the machine, you simply slide it into this top groove and click it into place. Once you've done that, you're ready to go. Now all you have to do is simply turn it on. To do that, you're going to push this button, you're going to hold it for a couple seconds, and you're going to hear an audible beep. The first thing it's going to do is display a temperature in centigrade, and then it's going to perform a self-function test. And if the instrument's working properly, it's going to display 0.00 and automatically go into operating mode. I'll demonstrate what that looks like now. Here's your temperature. Now it's going to do its self-check. Everything's good. Now it's going to go into operation mode. At this point, you would tell them to go ahead and take the deep breath when they're ready. Place their lips around the straw and begin to blow. I'll demonstrate what that would look like. You saw it analyzing, and then that's the result that it's going to display. Now you need 2 consecutive results to make sure that the instrument's working properly. So you're going to wait 5 minutes and you're going to perform another test. During this 5 minutes, I like to do another standard field sobriety test. I'll do the walk and turn and maybe the one leg stand, as usually those two together only take about 5 minutes. Once the 5 minutes is up, I'm going to go back to the subject. I'm going to reiterate the instructions just to make sure that they still understand what's going on. If they acknowledge they do, I'm going to go ahead and perform the test again. The same way. I'm going to turn the machine on. Let it do its self-check. Make sure it's functioning properly. And when it's ready, I'm going to have them do the test again. I'm going to tell them, when you're ready, take your deep breath and go for it. There we go. It looks like I'm good to go. That's basically all there is to that. Thank you for your time today, everyone.